What about the container cold storage for export to Canada? It's our one, because we have box certificates, including our power supply voltage. Customization is also accepted. This is a 20-foot size. As for the warehouse panels, we use a whole board of B1 grade material, the dense foam and the storage board. Adequate adhesion. It can form an uninterrupted thermal shield. The heat preservation effect will be better. It's our cooling capacity type of air cooler. The temperature difference in the cold storage is small. The heat exchange efficiency will also be higher, and the power consumption of our cold storage